Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the standard 5 chapter of revision 4. Chapter 4 is using mail merge. इस चैप्टर के अंदर कुछ क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे इस प्रकार कि रिकॉर्ड इज ए रॉ ऑफ अ डाटा शीट नंबर फील्ड मेक वन रिकॉर्ड. उसके बाद फील्ड क्या है? फील्ड इज ए कॉलम इन ए डाटा सोर्स दैट कंटेंट वन टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन जैसे नेम, एड्रेस, सिटी. और टैब की का इस्तेमाल करेंगे टू मूव द बिटवीन द फील्ड वाइल टाइपिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन. The main documents contains the text that we send to all the recipients. The tab key helps us to move between the field while typing the data. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field name. A tick mark gives an indication that a record is selected. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field name in a data source. The main document consists of a mailing list is false. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information is true. And merge field is the features that is used to combine the recipient list with a main document is true. The preview result option on the mailing tab display the first record from the data source is true. The two main components required during the mail merge process are the main document is false. Now MCQ. A record is a row on a data set which contains a number of fields. Second, mail merge field. Merge field is a data item which instructs Microsoft where to insert the data source information in the main document. To create a new recipient list, select the type a new list radio button under the select recipient section. Which of the following document does not require using the mail merge features? Answer is pamphlets. Use a existing list option allow you to pick data source from the spreadsheet. Now what in one word answer? In mail merge, where do you organize data in a tabular form along the field name? Answer is data source. Which tab do you select the execute the mail merge option is mailing. Which option used to print the mail merge document, print document. Which part of the data set display one type of information is field. Which option is used to preview the final mail merge document, preview result under the mailing tab option. तो ये आपका चैप्टर 4 का रिवीजन हुआ. इसमें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हैं, MCQ क्वेश्चंस हैं, बुक का इनर पार्ट का क्वेश्चन है. जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा वो सब MCQ फॉर्म में ही होगा, चाहे वो बुक का इनर पोर्शन हो या फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो या MCQ क्वेश्चन हो. तो इसका रिवीजन करेंगे. नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग क्लास 5 चैप्टर 5 का रिवीजन करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.